All right, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video, we are showing you guys all natural oils, 100% cold press. But let me just get this out of the way. I know y'all seeing this oils on the table and everything, and if you zoom in, you could kind of see that it says 99% natural. So it leaves you to believe in your mind, like, what's the other percent? You know what I mean? You 99%, but what's the other percent that's missing? Let me tell you a story. All right, you guys, so I made a post on the Facebook group pages called Waves Are Life. Link will be in the description. I made a post basically asking the community, what type of natural oils can I use? The community showed up. They showed me a bunch of love. A lot of people was giving their advice on what type of oils they use. And there was just one person that did a whole full-on paragraph. His name was Glenn Lewis. Talking about
grape seed oil, black seed oil was the best oil, pumpkin seed oil.
He was just going off in the comment section. I'm telling you, I mean going off, all right? Listing all the ingredients, all the oils, 100% cold press. He was just going in. And at that moment, I was thinking, dang, I should have just hit your inbox. So I ended up hitting his inbox and I was like, yo, I seen you had made that post, you know what I mean, on the pages. And I just want to know, like, what type of oils should I get? He gonna hit me with the,
yo, for real, you 360 Jeezy, you already supposed to know these things, you know what I mean? You
oh
over
man,
here.
you lying. You lying right now. You 100% lying. Why you lying on my man Glenn Lewis like
what
that?
you talking about? It is the truth.
I'm telling you the truth. Is not the truth. Let's just be real.
What you mean? I'm telling you the truth.
Wow, you gonna sit up here, bro? If you don't get out my face, I'm telling you, I'm being 100%
in front of all these people. You gonna sit up here and lie? All these people, Glenn Lewis is a good man.
No reason to lie. I ain't got no reason to lie. I will expose you right now. I got the messages, man. I got all the inbox messages. Tell the people the truth. I'm lying.
You are lying.
I'm lying.
Of course.
I am lying. I am lying. He was real respectable in the inbox. He really just put me on game, really. You know what I mean? He really told me everything that there is to know. My bad, my bad, my bad.
360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360.
Intro now available on iTunes and Google Play. So I bet you guys are wondering, Jeezy, what's this on the table? It's 99%, it's not really all natural. Listen guys, I bought these before I hit up Glenn, okay? I thought they looked good. Come to find out, it's not for me, okay? These are for people that really aren't into all natural products, especially when it comes to the smell. So with that being said, let me bring in the 100% cold press organic product. So here are the products that I use that was recommended by Glenn Lewis. I got right here the Hemp Seed Oil, Argan Oil, Black Seed Oil, EMU Oil, Pumpkin Seed Oil, and last but not least, Moringa Oil. All right, now Glenn has sent me this and it's flaxseed oil. It really was supposed to be oil, but I guess they accidentally sent me the capsules, but I'm gonna still take these daily just to, you know, better my hair health. In certain spots of my head, I could see thinning. I'm getting older, so I really wanna preserve what I have. I wanna be waving until I'm at least 40. So I'm trying to use all 100% natural oils from here on out. I already got the waves. If you're a beginner, you know, you can still use the 360 style pomade to get your waves up, but it's gonna come to a point where you're gonna have to stop and go for a more organic and natural hair care oil. All right, so one thing that I've learned from these products is that basically all of these products are edible. Like, you could put this on food. I didn't really know that until I did my research, right? Like, especially this black seed oil. I heard people put it in their salads and just in their food in general. So it's like, for me, that was mind blowing because I thought that these were hair products, but I mean, you could actually put it in your food as well. So 3 main reasons why you would take black seed oil, other than putting it in your hair, is it boosts your immune system. You know, it's good for your liver and it stimulates your appetite. So not only is this something that you can take as far as putting it on food and digesting it, this is something that you can take and put in your hair and nails. It's just all around an organic, nice product. So I'm not finna talk about all of these products because I did a little bit of research on all of them, and they basically, when it come down to it, they do similar things. But one of the ones that I wanted to talk about is Argan Oil, okay? Argan Oil, this right here makes my hair shine super hard. Like, when I put this in my hair, I mean, it's a big difference from what it was than what it is after I put it in. It's dope because you could put it on your skin. If you have oily skin, this works good. If you got acne, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people may make a mistake to think that putting oil like this on your face will kind of, you know, break you out or something, but it's the total opposite. It actually helps with your acne and stuff like that. Especially because a while back, before I cut my wolf off, I had like a bristle brush burn, basically from brushing all day. That's all I did. I was just, during this quarantine, you know, we have nothing to do, so I just was brushing all day, and I developed a burn right here in this area. And ever since I've been using these products right here, it's just been clearing up more and more. I could see my hair a lot more healthier than it was, mainly because I am also on this biotin and water regimen. I take these little, I take this biotin and I drink this water every single day. As you can see, I'm kind of running out and I need to go get another one, but that's what I've been on. I've been on a lot of biotin and water and just natural oil. I already have the waves, so it's kind of pointless to keep using pomade and different unnatural chemical products. So I'm getting older, like I said, man, and this is all I use as of right now. All right, this is a product update. I'm gonna put this argan oil in my hair. I'm gonna do a brush session, so stay tuned. All right, so before I get out of here, you guys, I do have to make mention of this. Each bottle of organic oil, natural, cold press, don't forget to put the cold press on it, okay? Each bottle is like $25, okay? So don't be breaking the bank, you guys. My recommendation is for you guys to pick up this black seed oil and definitely get you some argan oil. The rest, for me, is just like extra, but definitely you do want to have these 2 main oils in your arsenal as far as wave products. So yeah, it could get expensive, okay? But at the end of the day, work with what you got. Glenn Lewis said, don't break the bank, okay? Just wave on your budget, Okay, and I definitely agree with that. All right, this has been the product update. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.